You buy a new SIM card, everything is fine for a while, and then bam, no network connection. You try restarting your phone, checking for network coverage, but nothing seems to work. It's like your SIM card has decided to take a vacation without telling you. This cuts across Safaricom, Airtel, Telcom, or any other network, and this problem can be incredibly annoying. But don't worry, we have discovered potential solutions that could help you to regain your lost connection. Let's get started. Before we proceed, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Solution number 1. Check your SIM card. Examine your SIM card for any physical damage. Look for scratches, cracks, or any signs of wear and tear. If you notice any issues, it might be time for a replacement. If everything looks kinda okay, then you need to go to the next step, and that is cleaning your SIM card. Using a soft, dry cloth, clean your SIM card gently. Even if your SIM card looks fine, dirt, rust or kutu, which is usually in most cases which causes the new SIM cards to lose the network, or debris can interfere with your network connection. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the gold metal plate on your SIM card. You should be careful not to apply too much pressure, or you might need to replace it, and you know that comes at a cost. Solution number 2. Insert your SIM card properly. Ensure that your SIM card is inserted correctly in your phone SIM card tray. Double check the orientation and make sure that it's firmly in place. Solution number 3. Update your phone software. Outdated software can sometimes cause network issues. Check for available software updates for your phone and install them if necessary. Solution number 4. Reset your network settings. You need to go to your phone settings, find the network or connections option, and look for a reset network settings feature. This feature, however, is available for some phones and absent in others. And finally, solution number 5. Contact your network provider. If none of these solutions work, it's time to contact your network provider. They can troubleshoot the issue further and provide specific assistance. And last but not least, a message to the SIM cards manufacturer contractors. 2020 SIM cards were superior. They resisted heat in modems and lasted longer. New SIM cards must match or exceed this quality. Focus on durability and heat resistance. Follow us for more productivity tips.